Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and good morning everybody. So, may announcement na ako para sa inyo. So, pinaka-pasabog sa FPJ's Batang Quiapo tsaka may final round battle. Kinatanggol versus Rigor sa Lunes po sa January 20. So, pinaka-aabangan. So, meron dito upcoming, meron tayong upcoming season. So, yung pinakabagong yugto tsaka pinakabagong Pebrero. So, at saka coming this February 2025, mas pinakabagong buksan natin ang Batang Quiapo Year 3 on February 3, 2025. So, pinakabago yung Season 6 ang iiba sa episodes. Tsaka may bagong characters at pinakabagong cast members. So, paano mo masasabi pero dapat yung channel na ito pero alam mo ba gusto mo magiging sa buong mundo, tsaka buong bansa, tsaka Bantanes hanggang ulo. So, pinaka this video around today. So, pinaka yung FPJs, yung Batang Quiapo sa Lunes po. So, don't forget like this video, hit the like button, and like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like bell button, and don't forget to hit the bell. Peace, bye-bye.